Ma'am, wait, what did, okay. Watch these people stay on the side. Alright, now once you get to the exit down here, you're going to go ahead and make the left, but then we're going to go right once we get up to the turn, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so when it's safe, you're going to go ahead and make the right. And what's the speed limit on this road?
55.
Now the next street that's coming up, I want you to go ahead and make a right.
Okay.
And it's the street here, you're going to make a right. Now, at this corner here, you're going to make another right. Okay? Okay, you're just going to park in front of that second vehicle, okay? The second vehicle, come over. Yep, the vehicle right there. You're going to park. Okay, come over a little bit. This vehicle right here, you're going to park in front of it. In front.
Oh. So that means I need to turn around?
No, I need you to come out when it's safe. Okay. Alright, stop the vehicle. Do you understand what I mean by, like, in front?
This is
No, because this vehicle in front of it.
Oh.
You need to be in front of it.
Yeah.
Can you do that? Or, you know,
let's
go ahead and...
vehicle?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Be careful. Okay. Stop your vehicle. Okay, stop. Alright. And you go with a 3-point turn? Alright. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and do your 3-point turn. Okay. Alright, stop your vehicle. Alright, so what we're going to do now is your quick stop, okay? So I want you to go get the car up to at least 15, and I want you to stop the car. Like, do you have children?
No.
Alright, do you have nieces or nephews?
Yeah.
Alright, stop the car like they jumped in front, okay? I need you to lay on that brake. Okay? Go ahead. Stop. No. See, you're gliding. I need you to stop the car. Okay? Go forward. Stop. Okay. Go up to that mailbox, please. And just position your car closer to the curb. Okay. A little closer. Alright, now what we're going to do is your reverse, okay?
Reverse?
Yes, ma'am. Just keep the car straight.
Oh, straight back.
Straight back.
Yep.
Please look for oncoming traffic. Don't hit the curb. And make sure you stay in your lane, okay? Okay, stop your vehicle. Now just go up to the stop sign. Make a complete stop, please. And once you get to the stop sign, come to a complete stop. Okay, now, there's a little bit of a hill here, so if you can just inch up a little bit, just to make sure there's no oncoming traffic. Once you're clear, you're going to go ahead and make the left, okay? Whenever you're ready. Now, when you get down to the hill, you're going to go ahead when it's safe and make the right, okay? Now, when it's safe, you're going to go ahead and do a lane change, okay? When it's safe, go ahead and get into your left lane. Now, at this next traffic light, we're going to go ahead and make a left, okay? So at this light coming up, we're going to make a left. Ma'am, wait, what do you, okay. Watch these people, stay on the side.
The correct approach to make a left turn without a dedicated left turn lane is to wait for the green light in the left lane. When light is green, advance into the intersection, keeping vehicle wheels straight, and proceed when oncoming vehicles have cleared the intersection and pedestrians have cleared the crosswalk.
Go ahead, get into your right lane. Alright, when it's safe to do so, you're going to go ahead and make the right. Alright, so when it's safe, you're going to go ahead and get back into your left lane. Watch your speed. Alright, so we're about to get back into our turning lanes. We're going to go back into the DMV the same way we came out, okay? So here's the turn here. When it's safe, go back into the turning lane.
Turn left.
Yep, we're going to have to, okay, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Get into your turning lane. We're going to turn here instead, okay? When it's safe, go ahead and turn it. Let this car go. Turn into this section here. Turning, making a left. And we're going to make another left. And just go ahead and park. So just turn your car off and close up your vehicle.